using the big owl that I made. I like making owls because, you know, these ocarinas kind of sound like they're hooting, so it just makes sense to me. That's a pretty good low note, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is figure out where on this owl my fingers like to land. And I'm going to put them right here, I think, or right here. So, I think right here. So I'm going to put the first one. I'm going to use this one right here. And since the clay is still pretty solid, but also wet, this is the leather hard stage. You can do a whole lot of stuff to clay in the leather hard stage. There we go. We got one hole. So let's hear how it sounds. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's a big leap. Once again, I warn you, I am not a musician. I'm just a potter. So, all you musicians out there, you can come on in and show me how it's done, because I obviously don't know how. I just know how to make it. I don't know how to play it. So, there we go. Hole number 2. That seems to be all right. I should have probably put it down a little more, but oh well. That's kind of cool. I like that. Clean off the knife. Clean out the hole a bit. And let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be an interesting placement. And maybe even 4. I'll bet I can do 4. The bigger the ocarina, the more notes you can put into it. I've noticed that, you know, it'll get too high and then you just won't be able to make it hoot. There we go. As I said earlier in my first video, I'm going to be teaching a class on how to make these things next Wednesday at 6. So if you follow the link below in the comments below, you can sign up for it. I'd love to see you. Let's check this out. Okay. Yep, that works. Let me try for 4. That's fun. This is where it needs to be, right here. So let's drill another hole. Sorry, Mr. Hoot Owl. This is for your own good. Come on. Maybe a bigger, better knife. There we go. Let's see. Clean that off. Let's do this again. Kind of cool. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still a little weird, but oh well. Oh. Not totally covering it. Oops, I think I overstretched myself. But that's no problem, because if you accidentally put a hole where you shouldn't, all you gotta do is put a little bit of clay on there and load it back up. There we go. It's like it never happened. I think that's probably best. I'm gonna stick with 3 for this one. There we go. Good enough. I like it. So anyways, there we have it, our funny little hoot owl, and I'm going to have this one fitted for holes next, and I think this one's going to be really fun. He turned into a little Loch Ness monster, or a plesiosaur, or whatever. Yeah, that's going to be fun. So anyways, if you want to create your own little ocarina, please sign up in the comments below, and I will see you next Wednesday, hopefully. Thank you.